Hey, Dallas Tung with Las Vegas Sotheby's International Realty. And yes, you heard it, I'm with Sotheby's now, made the change, and I'm gonna explain why. Where we are at the Uncommons in the southwest of Las Vegas. Awesome development, I love this area. I will talk about that later in the video as well. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's go inside and check out the office. All right, so we walk in, beautiful common area, and then we'll walk into the reception. Check it out. So we're in the reception area, and a few of the largest reasons why I decided to come over to Sotheby's is, the opportunity, the culture, and also, Sotheby's is a true global brand that can offer global exposure, whether it's online or print. This office is a beautiful office for one. I'm excited to bring my clients to view this office. You got the glass conference room over there, and then we go through, we have all the offices for the agents. Sotheby's can offer not just global brand, but basically a lot of assistance. They have their own marketing department in here. We'll have our own TC team and all that stuff. So it's really going to make the experience for you and my clients much, much better. So as I mentioned earlier also, the other thing is culture. Culture is very important for me. Everyone here is willing to help each other out. We're all here kind of like a family. I've been super happy here so far, very welcoming. Okay, so now we have, the transaction team over here in this office. Then we have the marketing room. You have the printers, design team that really helps you whatever you need. Your social media when you're pending on your listing, in-house marketing, huge thing for me. All right, so now we are in the desert lounge area. Great for video shooting. You see this lovely background. Well, this is pretty much the Sotheby's office, so hopefully one day you can come and check this out. Let's go check out the Uncommons. Love this place. All right, so we're out here in the Uncommons. You have Urth Cafe, one of my favorite restaurants. I've been going there since LA. You got the Speakeasy Candle, you have a salon there, a few other restaurants opening up. You got DraftKings, CBRE behind us, Morgan Stanley. A lot more things are coming to this area. You got the Vestra Apartments, beautiful apartments. So if you're looking for apartments, yeah, this is the place to live. You just come right down, come eat, and all that stuff. There's a lot of more restaurants that are opening up. Sundry back there, it's like a food hall. So I can't wait till that opens up. I'll never leave, I never want to leave. Durango Casino that's being built right across the street. If you want to see more, I'm going to be doing more neighborhood tours. So like and subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.